If you love dill pickles, then you are gonna love this dill pickle dip. Keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly M. Welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, it is obviously July, and that means National Pickle Month. Woo woo! So I have a salami dill pickle dip recipe for you today. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, go over all the ingredients. It is just a couple ingredients, very simple, easy dip to make. And then we'll go ahead and get started and put it all together. So let's go. Alrighty, we're going to quickly go over the ingredients. We're just going to use a little bit of mayo, minced garlic, some softened cream cheese, dill pickles, and hard salami. And that's all the ingredients, friends. So let's turn the camera around and get this made. Alright, my friends, I told you it was not that many ingredients, so this is going to be a quick one. I did forget to tell you, I found this recipe over on Lemons for Lulu, and I will link the recipe in the description box, so please go over to their website and check them out, please. So let me go ahead, turn the camera down, and we'll put this together. Alright, my friends, I have my 8 ounces of cream cheese softened in my bowl, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of mayo. It does not take a lot of mayo. And it says just to mix this up first. I'm going to use my hand mixer because I do have a difficult time mixing by hand, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Alrighty. That did not take long, as you saw. And then we'll go ahead and then add in the rest of the ingredients. All right, friends, so I just looked up and realized I was not filming. All I did was mix it up with the hand mixer, which I believe I did catch. I added in 2 cloves of the minced garlic, and then I just put in my pickles and my salami. I'm sorry about that. I looked up and it was like, too late to redo it. So we're gonna go ahead and now mix all this together, and I'll just mix that by hand. Alrighty, this is it. Oh, you know what? I just realized I'm supposed to be adding some Italian seasoning. Let me go grab that. I forgot. I'm supposed to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I totally forgot about that. I'll make sure I put that in the beginning of the recipe, the video. So I have in here 1½ cups of chopped salami, and I have a 1/3 cup of chopped dill pickle. I was saying that when I was filming the recipe, dumping it in, and looked up and saw that I wasn't recording. Surprise, surprise. Alrighty. Alright, friends, that is it. It's mixed really well. So I'm going to refrigerate this for about an hour or 2 hours, and then we will do a taste test. All right, my friends, it is done. It is done. I am going to do a taste test. All right. Let's spread the cracker a little bit better. Mmm. 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 Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Friends, simple, minimal ingredients. I'm sorry, that cracker kind of fills your mouth. Absolutely delicious. I mean, absolutely delicious. This is a great one. If you're a pickle lover, even if you're not a pickle lover, I think you still might even enjoy this one. It is really, really good. So friends, I do apologize, my microwave is going. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit that little subscribe button. Also go over and check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites. And please hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video coming out. There's going to be a lot of fun stuff going on in the month of July. Don't forget, it is National Pickle Month. Woo woo! See you next time, friends. Bye.